This is where all beer begins, with malted barley. That's barley that's been partly germinated in order to release its fermentable sugars. But some beers also contain a proportion of wheat. And it's wheat that helps to give the tart, quenching summer beer character to the beer they make here, Lembeek beer. The grains of malted barley, and in this case the wheat grains too, are milled together, producing what's known as the grist from the mill. The grist is added to hot water to make an infusion. As the grains are stirred, they give up their natural sugars, which are absorbed in the hot liquid. Hops are another essential ingredient. They grow on vines and their cones are dried before being added to the brew. The hops are a seasoning. To the sweetness of the grains, they add a balancing dryness in aroma and palate. Well, that's their usual job. Most brewers want their hops to be as fresh and aromatic as possible when they put them in their beer. But Lembeek brewers are using hops for a different reason, for a much older purpose. They're using the hops as a preservative in the beer, and they actually don't want hop taste and hop aroma. So they do something that other brewers would regard as utterly absurd. They use 6 times as many hops as a normal brewer, but they age them for 3 years specifically to get the taste and aroma out of them. It's just another remarkable feature in this most idiosyncratic of beer styles. The liquid has been drained and transferred to the brew kettle. This is where the hops are added and the brew is boiled. The boiling sterilizes the brew and extracts the essential oils and resins from the hops. There aren't many breweries left anywhere in the world with coal-fired kettles, but Ronnie Lindemans has never been persuaded to change. Lembeek beers are boiled for 5 hours rather than the more usual hour and a half.